Hello, and welcome back to another instruction video on how you can monitor and execute orders from the new truck calculating system. This is for the employees that is working with truckers on the new calculator, a step-by-step tutorial video to have you manage and understand our new system. It would be easier for you to understand if you have watched the truck calculator tutorial video for our trucker first. So if you have not done it already, please proceed to it before watching this video. First, you will need to go to your order dashboard at workcraftlogistics.com, at employee.workcraftlogisticshome.com, and log into your account. Here will be your work dashboard. On your left, you will go into your dashboard panel, then select WH Works. Then scroll down a little bit and choose Truck Calculator. On this side, you will see all the preferences and all the related information that the customer has created or yourself has created. If we proceed to agree to the rate of the order, we're going to go ahead and continue with that order. When you press on the preferences, you will see all the information that the guest or yourself has put in. Noted that if the guest put in all of these information, us as an employee cannot change or modify anything. On your right, this will be the search toolbar. This is where you're gonna be searching or finding all of the related information about an order, like preferences or who has created it, like a customer or yourself. This can also be used if a customer called to us directly and asked for a quotation. Since we are already on the phone with the client, we can already use this and go ahead and collect the client's information. Okay, so we are gonna select create. We're gonna go ahead and put in all the information details while on the phone with the customer, like put in their company names, their customer email address. The number paid per hour would be 31 always. Then put in their delivery progress like they would do on the website. For example, and then put in their stop-by address if they needed to have it. Change it up a little bit so that we have the correct route. You are going to go ahead and generate calculate. Then it's going to pop up all the detailed result that is kind of the same with the app that we had on our website. We're going to also have the map and all the information that's needed. We can also put in a market price if you want to have another market price for your guests to see if we can sell it for a better price. Then you can go ahead and press the send confirmation email. After you have sent this out, you are going to go ahead and double check your email to see if it has been delivered. After that, you are going to change your status into email sent. After this, your job would be to follow up with the guests and to get a confirmation from them to see if they can agree, if they're going to be agree with our prices, and continue with the order. After they has been accepted, change the status into accepted. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching.